Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides and author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you how to use search and replace to replace all references to a certain term in a Google Sheet. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. By the way, this works in a Chromebook, in a Mac, and a Windows PC. I just recommend that you open up the sheet in Google Chrome. So open up the sheet, and what I want to do is every single reference to eBay, you can see them all over the place in this particular. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. See how it says eBay on every other row? I'm going to replace that purchased through eBay with purchased online for every single one. So there's probably like 20 or 30 instances of this. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, and then where it says Find, you want to have the text that says purchased through eBay. Actually, if I wanted to, I could type the whole thing, shipping label purchased through eBay, but actually all I need to do is replace through eBay with online. And then I'm just going to select replace all. And I don't know if you noticed that, but everything just shifted. And also it says replace 31 instances of through eBay with online. So I'm done. You can see that now it no longer says eBay. I may want to do some further search and replaces. For instance, if I want to change the capitalization in this sentence, or let's say I want to get rid of this SKU or change the SKU to something else, it's really easy using search and replace. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see more information about the book that I wrote, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It also covers Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching.